In this Quiltler tutorial, I will be explaining more in depth the copy and paste blocks. To begin, I'm going to start by selecting Copy Blocks, and I'm going to show you how to copy a block that has more than one shape in it. So I need to start by long holding the block that I want to have copied, and that opens this screen. This screen shows all the shapes that are within your block, and you just need to select both shapes and then select Done. From here, you either need to select single block or multi-block. I'm going to use multi-block, select where I want my block to be pasted, and select Paste. And that copied the whole block. I'm going to show you what it looks like if you don't do that. So I will select Copy. I'm not going to long hold, I'm just going to tap on it. And then I'm going to select multi-block and then Paste. Doing that just copies and pastes the top layer of that block. There's no limit to how many blocks that you can copy. And next I'm going to show you how to copy and paste blocks that are inside your collection. So I'm going to select Choose Collections. And it opens this screen and you can select which collection you want to have on your screen. And I'm going to choose Chevron and select Done. From here, you can copy and paste these blocks to your quilts. So I'll just show you here. I'll select the shape that I want. I'm going to select multi-block and place it where I want it. And from here, select Paste. And that is a tutorial explaining more in depth the copy and paste.